Hi everyone and welcome to Lucerne. Located on the shore of Lake of the Four Cantons, the city of Lucerne is the gateway to central Switzerland. With its well-preserved medieval core, elegant historic buildings and evocative atmosphere, Lucerne is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Switzerland. So, what are the best attractions you cannot miss if you visit this fascinating city? The Chapel Bridge is a covered wooden bridge built across the Reuss River, with a standing tower dating back to the 13th century. This 9-towered wall allows you to go back to the medieval times when Lucerne was fortified. Walking through the streets of the old town, you can spot paintings, squares, churches and fountains on every corner. The lion, carved in the sandstone, was built to pay respect to those Swiss soldiers who sacrificed their lives to protect the royal family during the famous French Revolution. The Spranger Bridge was completed in the early 1400s as a part of the city fortification. In 1600, 67 paintings that represent the Dance of the Dead were added. A backtaking tour awaits you at the charming Lake of Lucerne, the heart and the soul of the city. One of the most famous museums in Switzerland is the Transport Museum in Lucerne. From space travel to land travel, here you can explore the evolution of ships, submarines, cars, trains and much more. For food and accommodation tips, read the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.